Hi everybody, how are ya? It's February 2nd, 2018, and we are getting ready for the Super Bowl. And I figured that while I was thinking about it, I am going to show you guys how to make one of my favorite condiments, and that is Tapenade. Alright, so we've got our ingredients here. We have olives, garlic, red wine vinegar, and roasted red peppers. And it's all going to go into the blender here. And we're just going to blend it up till it's not we don't want it too chunky, but we don't want it very smooth either. So it's kind of hit or miss. But once we get it to a good consistency, then we're ready to go. Okay. In go the olives. So the water you're going to be there too when you turn things out Alright, 1 teaspoon of garlic, I'm going to drain the juice from these red peppers. Okay, so now we have some roasted red peppers in there. Then we're going to add some red wine vinegar, and we're going to blend it up. Alright, because we definitely need to add a little bit more, and it looks a little too watery. Alyssa has suggested that we add, some of these. See what that does, and then maybe we'll add a splash more red wine vinegar, and if needed, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's have a look-see here. That looks pretty good. Alright, so what we've done now is we've added some artichokes into the tapenade, and we're going to see if that does the trick, because it tasted a little too acidic. So, here goes nothing. Voila! Alright, taste test. Yeah, I think that's good. Artichokes add sort of a salty element to it. And you can taste the vinegar, but it's not like, ooh, vinegar. Oh no, I'll say this is pretty tasty. Not bad. And there we have our tapenade. And what I'm doing now is I'm putting it in a Tupperware. And we're going to let it set overnight. So that way the flavors have a chance to develop. And that way it'll taste really, really good. But if you want to go ahead and serve it now, you can do that. And what I would recommend is if you do it, use like crackers or toast points, which is what we're going to do tomorrow. Or, you know, even just like toss it in some pasta. Well, there you go, everybody. I had to step outside so I could take Wishbone out. But I hope you enjoy trying this tapenade at home. The recipe I used is based off a recipe I found on food.com. I will see if I can find that one, and I'll post the link down below so you guys can do it. But again, you can kind of use whatever kind of olive you have. Like, even if you use the pimento stuffed olives, that would taste really good. Alright, so, until next time, see you guys later. Enjoy your Super Bowl, and Go Patriots.